Lily OG coming at you with the ones and twos. Welcome back to the channel. Put it on paper because it's safer. No beat because this is free. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out Poshmark Closet Larks. Poshmark.com/closet/larks LARKST21 for the real life spa cookies and their clothing and their clothing line. The next thing we're going to talk about is opening our first package. Well, it's literally our third package. But our first package, let's see what's in it. I always feel like we have to look our best for a good price. So this came from... I don't know if I want to tell you guys my secret spot. I'm not going to tell you guys my secret spot. Real fur. You guys like it? It looks nice. Okay. That's kind of about it, you guys. That's all I had to say. I don't know if I should try it on. Should I try it on for you guys? I don't know. I don't know if I should try it. Okay. I'm going to probably try it on for you guys. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to try it on for you guys. Try it on?
Well, ask them in the comments. Leave it in the comments.
Well, leave it in the comments if you try it on.
If you want to check it out, it's going to be on Poshmark.
It's going to be on Poshmark. Just check it out and stuff like that. And that's kind of about it. Let me know how you guys like the pants. Oh, the pants look so cute. I think I like it. And the vest.
It does look good.
So let me know what you guys think about it and things like that. I mean, I feel like presentation is key. How we present ourselves is how people think of us. So we always gotta make sure we put our best foot forward. Our intellect is also key. So the way we interact with people and the different words we say, like a cure, accent, abhor, accumulate, things like that. Lateral, posterior, anterior, middle, things like that. We should be able to tell people, and even though if they don't understand, we should be the one to explain to people. So we're basically people's teachers every day, inspiring them. We always want to learn something new every day and stuff. So that is the goal. So make sure we keep motivated, we stay on track, and we do what we need to do. And that's about it, you guys. Alright, ciao.